Version 1 for La Vida by Margaret Morales starts off with Mandarin Pearls on the butterfly. That's on the yellow parts of the butterfly and under code number 2. There's also some code number 2 on her eyes, the yellow areas, and also on her hair. For version 2 of La Vida, we now add Flamingo Pearls on the pink parts on her face, the one where there's a flower painted on her chin on code K. So only on code K. There's also some K on her forehead, that upside down heart, as well as on top of her forehead. So Flamingo Pearls on K. Only on her painted face. Morganite is also sprinkled on the pink areas on the roses on her hair. So just sprinkle it in areas that you'd like to highlight. And for version 3 of La Vida by Margaret Morales, we now add violet pearls to only certain areas on the codes R. So not on all R's, but only sprinkle it on that code. So perhaps in a row of about 20 R codes on your canvas, you sprinkle it in about 5 of those 20. So just sprinkle it in those areas that you see is purple, which is R on the canvas.